In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide rows inside of Microsoft Excel. It's going to be really quick. We're going to work with this list of names of imaginary people that are coming to my, party or whatever. And what I want to do is hide these rows so that I can send this off to somebody and they won't be able to see the people that I have coming except for Jack Johnson. No one cares that Jack Johnson's coming, right? Let's say that. So I'm going to just right click right over here, select my rows, right click over here, go down, hide, bam, there you go, right? Now, the problem with this and why this isn't really hiding anything is that you see 1, 2, 8. And we all learned how to count, and that's not how numbers work. So there is an indication that something is hidden here physically, right? And also because of the numbers. But what you do to unhide them is you just select this area between 2 and 8, right? This kind of gap where these are hidden, and then you right click again, and then you go and you hit unhide, and that unhides all of those, right? And we can go here and I can hide just a few. I'll just hide Bob Dylan and Joe Rogan, hide them, and then it still shows some of my list right here. And then just like we did again, I can go through unhide. So hiding and unhiding these rows, really simple. I hope this guide helped you with that. Just keep in mind that if you have a workbook that is locked, people are still going to be able to know that you hid something there, and then possibly, depending on how permissions work and everything, be able to unhide it. So it's not a end-all be-all, but it is something that could help you maybe if you're printing, right? So I hope that helped, and thank you for watching.